welcome to Coaching Conference 2.0, where we all gather to set the stage on the horizon of productivity amidst the sea of distraction that we have today.
Namaste to everyone. Good morning to the lovely moderator who is taking the program ahead and to all my colleagues. I am very happy to share this screen today. And the topic given to me is something which is very dear to me, and I guess that is, by God's grace, my USP also. Because the heads of any institution, I guess this is the basic quality that they should have among them is what is team building. For me, one thing, if you are able to give to the society willingly, where you can inspire and bring the best result, for me is leadership, which is not a title, but it is an example. So we lead with examples. So if we talk about what is a leader, he is someone who will create a culture, who will be welcoming immense knowledge, creativity, who will be creating leaders but not followers. So for me, becoming a leader is not that you increase the followers day by day, but empower your team to become leaders so that your future generation takes care of. For me, that is what leadership is. I am related to school, senior principal of Velamal group of schools, and I'm heading Dindigal location, that is Tamil Nadu. But being a Mumbaikar, I'm very happy that I can bring that diversified culture here. And I'm very proud to say that our respected CEO or all my heads, even the CEO, their vision is itself to collaborate and bring two cultures together. So when we talk about teamwork and innovation, itself Velamal stands apart from all other schools. They were innovative, so they brought me all over from Mumbai. They wanted to merge something different. So they did not think once also that how will I merge into this different culture. Since I belong to Maharashtra, if I take example of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, one who led military strategies, people will think why I'm talking about him. I'm very inspired with him, the way he conducted the guerrilla tactics, the way he brought all the team under one banner, the way they were very loyal to him. That is all the culture and the leader's role to create this culture of loyalty by fostering his or her own example. Talk about innovation, and if I talk about my own institution, because I am very much fascinated and very proud to be a Velamalian, I will say that even if I talk about our respected CEO, I am really impressed the way he conducts team meetings. Why? To exchange ideas between the heads. So when the heads come together and they exchange their diversified cultures, their diversified ideas, only the organization will grow. So we coming on one page, serving for one vision. The organization has to be open to, that is also very important. A leader has to be very open to ideas, because if you are constructed, if you suppress the people below you, then that organization will never grow. Mr. Tata, he brought the nano car. So this nano car is super example of customer oriented approach. So when the nano came on the road, even the common people could afford that nano. Why did he bring nano? Why with such a low budget vehicle? Because he wanted customers to be happy. So if I take this example in my school, and if I'm guiding my team, what will I do? I will tell them to give proper customer means parent service. If I want my admissions to grow, if I want my school to be out of the box, If I want my school and my team to highlight everywhere in Velamal, in all the 66 schools spread all over Tamil Nadu, what will I have to do is ensure all my parents are happy. Because feedback is one system which is very necessary in any organization. Until and unless you don't resolve their problems, you don't understand where gaps we are having, how will we grow them? There will be no growth of that organization. If we are bringing the AI, if we are bringing the robot systems, if we are bringing the CRM systems and all those gadgets, then when those apps are coming, the parents are getting at the fingertips what the child has been doing full day in the school. In the bus, you have GPS system, GPS tracking is there, cameras are there, everywhere everything is there. Parents are very happy now, but more happy they will be when whatever little they have complaint and you are resolving. That will happen when you are prompt, and that promptness will come if there is unity, and that unity will come if the leader infuses that in the team every day. So it is a continuous process. Each one of the leader takes the initiative, empower the support team, and understand that he or she is not the boss to lead, but a leader to empower the other generation. I think then it is not far that we all today who are sitting over here after 10 years, a decade, will be all at different happy places. This is all for today from myself, Miss Naina, before I sign off. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you for the beautiful insights. We had really significant role models who have really created a lasting impact, and I couldn't agree more.
Nicely explained. Thank you. Thank you very
No
much.
questions.
I would also like to thank Naina for helping me pick up few points from their thought processes and ideas